All right, quick video. I have not stopped working on this, but I've been on it for so long, I need to take a break and work on something else. So I'm breaking out the old Monster Rotor. I don't know if you guys remember this. It has the 4-inch by half inch magnets in it, all 3D printed. And what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to use this obviously, I'm going to make a maglev out of it, but using this, using magnets on both ends and then some kind of, pointed thing or something in there to go up against a piece of glass. But they'll go into these guys here. That's the way maglev really should be, not the 3 magnets like this. I mean, this is all right, but this is when you have a captive state like that where the magnet is in there and it's captive, then you have a real maglev and it can spin at high velocities or high RPMs. And this guy's not too heavy either. This will easily, these magnets will easily hold it up with these on the end. And so I have to figure out some way of putting something in there. I was thinking about using one of these guys. Hold on a second. Sorry, using one of these guys. Whoop. And just, obviously grind it down so that it fits in there good. And then use some sort of, I don't know, quick weld cement, liquid nail, something to keep it in there. But something like this. Probably not this. But I got a shop full of crap. I'll find it. I was thinking about making a 3D printed mount with the bearings in it and doing it like that, but that's really no fun. I want to get a real maglev, kind of like the way Sky Collection does. Again, I've not given up on this guy. He is beautiful, and I will keep it going. In fact, I might even try running this off of the excess power I get from this, because I'm going to run this guy also on a couple of JL94 circuits. But I've always wanted to do this, get it captive like that, but I have to figure out a good way. I have to watch some more of Sky Collection's videos and how he has it set up so that it can be adjusted. I'm not going to be able to do it with a 3D printer, I don't think, because in order to make it strong enough, I'm going to have to print it like with 100% infill, and that would just take forever. I do have some acrylic left, but going back to the old acrylic, I don't know. I also repaired this guy who had a blown capacitor. This guy that had a blown capacitor, and where's the other one? I had another one. It was the Hall sensor circuit that had a blown capacitor. So now I have all my circuits are up and running in good condition. But yeah, I want to get this bad boy going because he is nice. And I may even use that monster coil over there. Or I'll break out and I will wind this guy. Make him a bifilar. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I can get a lot of wire on there. So it'll be somewhat 3D printed. I was going to use this guy, but I like the square one better. So yeah, nice big, and so you can see how big these are. My thumb can go through there. So that'll easily, and they're really strong too. I believe, I don't know if these are N52s or not. I don't remember. I usually try to buy N52s, but if not, they're definitely strong enough to hold this guy up, because I didn't put resin inside here. This is just plastic and magnets. So So, if any of y'all got some good ideas on how to build the um, the fixture for it, should I do it with 3D printing? If so, should I just design one, or should I go acrylic, or should I go old fashioned, get some wood in there? But yeah, these are nice. Yeah, they're magnetized. What is that called? I forgot. But they're the right way. So yeah, so you put south facing out, south facing in. You push it in to the point where it can just touch the same way I did those guys and this guy here. Except these guys wobble way too much because I didn't get the weight right and all that good stuff. My only concern with this is not stainless, and it's not aluminum. It's magnetic. So I don't know how that's going to mess up, if that's going to cause problems with the maglev. I don't think it will for what I'm doing. But anyway, next project, the Monster Rotor. And if it turns out to be too heavy, I can always double up the magnets like this. But I think it's going to be fine.